Ziggy is also a corned beef and rice kind of man.
All this is real bacchanal.
This is a bacchanal you see. Yeah.
Just like to keep it simple.
We have some onions and garlic just...
smelling that.
Yeah, just sauteing down here and getting all nice. This is the base of what I am going to do. We are going to layer some provision. So this is a kind of
Rastaman thing.
A kind of real rugged kind of man. Yeah, you know what I mean? But we're going and just fancy it up a little bit, you know?
No scene.
Right. So what I want you to do, Ziggy, while I am going to get some mushrooms in here, because this is going to be just in the middle of the pie. It's a cheesy provision pie.
Song and night. It's song and night.
Cheesy provision pie. So I got mushrooms going in here. I have some kale, some corn, and some feta cheese that I'm going to get all inside here. Meantime, Ziggy has sweet potato and dasheen.
Boy.
That is forming the base and the top of this pie. So I'm going to just add quickly, Ziggy, a little bit of butter to this for you. It's almost like we're doing like a mashed potato kind of vibes. So I'm going to get a little butter in here for you. And a little touch of milk. And I want you to start to mash using this fella here.
That's all I do, just mash.
Just mash it up different. Just mash it up different. Yeah, man. We want a texture that not only it's mashed, but we want to know that we're eating sweet potato. We want to know we're eating dasheen. So we don't want to do it dash it too fine. I want it a little chunky, Ziggy. So don't give me too much muscle here. Don't give me too much muscle. Right? A little bit of butter, a little bit of milk. One of the things I want you to just add there as you're mashing, Ziggy, is a little salt, a little pepper, salt, pepper, salt and season up. Must season your food, so you must put the seasoning. So in here now, guys, power food. This is kale, right? So I'm adding kale. This kale, you can use spinach, you know, it's all based on what you have, but kale is a power food. And when I thought of the provision, I thought, you know, the kale would have been, the kale would have been a nice addition to it. So I'll let this kale do its thing.
Oh, look in here,
You look good enough. So here what I want you to do. You look so good there. Now you can handle that shit one time then. Handle that shit one time then. So all we are going to do, guys, is layer. We're going to start with the dasheen. Layer the dasheen. Nice layer of dasheen. Then we're going to be putting our kale, corn, and the mushroom mixture just to the top of it. Then we're going to top it with the sweet potato. Top it with some more cheese, some cheddar cheese. And then bake in the oven, guys. So this is one of those dishes. If you want to change up your macaroni pie on a weekend, or your potato pie on a weekend, and you have some provision, this is a good dish to try. Feta cheese. A little fancy. Not
fancy.
Yeah, a little fancy. But all this really does is takes the dish on another level kind of thing. And it's not a cheese that melts easily. Okay. So you want something that will stand up a little bit. So I'm putting this just to the end. Just about this. Yeah, I don't want to use all of it because it's a very strong tasting cheese.
Looks like popcorn.
To take your dasheen, I'm going to go first with your dasheen. This is a greased dish, guys. So I'm going in with the dasheen. And just a nice basic thin layer of dasheen. So you see it's a little chunky.
Sorry.
Yeah, no. I that's actually how I like it. I don't want it to be a smooth, mushy blend. Yeah, I want to know when we bite this.
Provision eating.
You know it's dasheen eating. To that now, I am ready now for this cheesy vegetable mixture. So you see it kind of get a nice little cheesy, the cheese
and the aroma, boy. Oh my God.
Melting, yeah. So I'm going with a nice other layer. Just want to spread it evenly across here. Yeah? So you see the colors popping?
Yeah.
So you have mushrooms here, guys. You have kale.
Corn.
You know what's another good idea I'm now coming up with here? We were talking about it. You can use a nice little saltfish blend in here as well. Provision and saltfish kind of blend.
On the top or inside?
I think inside.
Inside.
I think inside. So now is I love sweet potatoes.
Yeah, me myself.
Yeah, boy, I love sweet potatoes. So once I was doing this, I know I wanted to use sweet potatoes. So I just basically get these sweet potatoes here. This wouldn't be complete. There's your work here. Top with cheese, liberally.
Eat cheese, I know.
Yeah, cheddar cheese.
All right.
Cheddar cheese. Top liberally. And
We can't be minty with the cheese, huh?
no. We want a nice cheesy crust to the top. You bake this in the oven for just about 25-30 minutes, guys, until it gets nice and toasty to the top, nice and brown to the top. You ready?
Yeah, of course. Long time. Yeah.
So we going hard, because
Looking good and it's smelling good. I know
smelling
this.
good.
Only seen it, but then smelling it now.
Yeah. We working on smell-o-vision, so that when they see it,
It's 4D.
yeah.
4D. That's what it's called.
You mind if I serve you off here?
Yeah, man.
Nice. So you see,
See the corn.
you get the corn.
See
Yeah. Let me taste, and we will tell you.
I just see the cheese, the corn, the sweet potato. This and the dashing too.
Everything come together nicely. So I ain't lying. I mean, I love swordfish. Right? Swordfish would have been real banging in this one. I'm just saying.